Yo, stop right now and look at this, okay? They got the robots that's gonna replace the fast food cookers, all right? This right here, particular one is called Miso Robotics, okay? So they're working with 10 of the top 25 brands in the quick service restaurant industry with more partnerships on the way. Now check this out. They got more of them, all right? Curly fries, people, all right? Jacks, okay? So this is not a joke, all right? This is not a joke. Now look what they say. Read this article with me. Now look what they call this. They call it the Great Resignation, okay? It say it's showing no signs of slowing down, all right? In February, okay, the record level remained, all right, at 11 million open positions. Okay, nowhere is that more deeply felt than the fast food industry. It say even business titans like McDonald's and Starbucks have been forced to do the previously unthinkable, reduce operating hours primarily due to short staffing. Okay, this is more. It's more. It's more. Hold on. It say restaurants have tried everything to attract workers, from higher wages to next day pay. All right, jobs still unfilled. Okay, so it say the demand for restaurant workers and stagnant labor pool, experts predict a shortfall of 3.7 million workers. Okay, look at the bottom paragraph. It say, could robots be programmed to work alongside chefs in the commercial kitchen? Me personally, I think they got robot chefs too. They already got robots taking orders at some drive-thrus. Okay, robot gonna be cooking the food. They're going to be serving the food, and they're going to be taking your orders. All right? This is the future that we headed toward, my people.